am Craig from Cloudflare, and I am so excited to have you at this hackathon. We are really excited to have you. Here, you might. Hey there, I am Craig from Cloudflare, and I am so excited to have you at this hackathon. We are really excited to have you here. You might be wondering, why is Cloudflare at a hackathon? And that's because maybe you don't know that we have a developer platform that is very fast to build on. It's actually ideal for prototyping. And in fact, for this hackathon specifically, we have the platform for building agents. So agents.cloudflare.com. Head over here, check this out. I'm going to give you a whole bunch of links in a repo when this is all done. So don't worry about taking notes right now. So we have the platform for building agents. It's a wonderful place. It's fun to build. It's really quick, and you can deploy them very easily. You don't even choose any region. You just kind of do npm run deploy, and there you go. So alongside that, we also have an MCP server, and it's even easier than that. You press this button, this deploy to Cloudflare button, and you get yourself an MCP server. Now, if you haven't worked with MCP servers before, that's Model Context Protocol, and that's going to allow you to, in English, control a sort of API. So let's take a look at what one of those looks like. This is the code after I deployed that. I pushed this. Let's take a look at that real quick here. So the tool comes in, and it has, of course, has your add, and you take an A and a B, and you add them together. You return it, you return the content. And then that allows any sort of agentic software. A lot of people are using this locally on their machines, but you can also host this on a server, and it's really easy to do. In fact, if I just do this npm run deploy, what's going to happen is it's going to take that, and it's going to put it up on the server. So now I can connect to that over the server. I can connect to any place that I need to. And one of the things that's really nice about that is now I've got this URL, right? And that URL now can go and control. I added a function here. I added this new tool, so server.tool change light. I added the ability to my MCP server to be able to change that light. And if you run the inspector, right? MPX model context protocol inspector. It will go ahead and will spin up a server, and I can actually go and see my light here, right? So I've got this server that's running. I could run it locally, but I also can run that I could run that locally if I wanted to, but I could also grab my URL and I can hit the actual server version of this. So I'm going to do that. Just going to make sure my MCP server is working. I'm going to go to the end of this here and do MCP. This is the official tool that comes out. So I'm just going to go ahead and connect to this. I'm going to list the tools, and you'll see that I've got in here, I've got this ability to change light, which I'm going to try that. I'm going to do a hex color. I'm going to go ahead and call this API. It's going to go ahead and you'll see that I turned my light green, right? So my light's green now. Which is cool. That's cool that that's available. But now I also have the ability to do this across English, right? So I have this MCP server. Now, I also have a very nice, you'll see here, I have this agent that is available as well. One thing to remember that we have also, we have this support for X402. So if you're dealing with wanting to charge things, this is a great place to go. I'll put notes to this in the repo as well. So the AI chat agent here, right? I could talk with this thing. It comes out of the box. This is the starter kit for that. And let me just show you really quick how awesome this is. So I can take what's in the server here, and I look for my MCP. All I needed to do was add that MCP server, and now my little chatbot that comes out of the box, you're going to have this working real-time. It syncs its state across multiple browsers. So what we're going to do is we're going to say change the light color to be what it feels like to win a hackathon. We're going to see it's going to call the tool. I guess it's FFD700 is what it feels like. It's a trophy. It made the trophy color. So congratulations on winning that hackathon. If you need notes to where all this stuff is, there is a URL shortener called shorty.dev without the O, shorty without the O, .dev/hackagents. There's the QR code. Thank you for building on Cloudflare. I can't wait to see how much you build and how fun it's going to be. I can't wait to hear about it. Let us know. Keep us posted. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you real soon.
Normally, I kind of come up with this like cutesy intro that's meant to make you excited, okay? I want those salivatory glands just glistening. That is a disgusting analogy. But this time, there's no need because the subtitle to this article is out of this world. An indirect prompt injection in an implementation blog can manipulate anti-gravity to invoke a malicious browser subagent in order to steal credentials and sensitive code from a user's IDE. Well, was a lot of words. And guess what? They're all real words.